This old kitchen trick turns onions and garlic into a sauce you'll use every single day. Hi friends, I'm Nancy. With just a few fresh ingredients and a clean jar, you can make a smooth, flavorful sauce that stays ready in your fridge for months. It's natural, it's affordable, and it adds the most comforting flavor to soups, stews, marinades, and almost anything you make at home. Let me show you how easy it is. Let's begin today's video with something incredibly simple but unbelievably useful in the kitchen: homemade garlic paste and onion paste. These two little staples can save you time, money, and effort every single day. And once you try making them at home, you'll wonder why you ever bought them from the store. So let's start with the garlic paste, the version that lasts up to a full year and becomes one of the handiest ingredients in your refrigerator. To begin, prepare 4 whole heads of fresh garlic. Take your time peeling each clove and check them carefully as you go. Make sure none of the cloves are brown dry or starting to sprout. Freshness makes a huge difference here, not only for flavor, but also for how long the paste will stay good. When all the cloves are clean and ready, place them directly into your blender or food processor. Don't worry about chopping them first. The blender will do all the hard work. Now we'll add the ingredient that makes this recipe so special: 1 full cup of olive oil. Olive oil naturally preserves the garlic, keeps the texture silky, and prevents the strong garlic smell from spreading inside your refrigerator. Once the oil is in, go ahead and blend everything together. You're looking for a thick, creamy paste, not too runny, not too chunky. If the mixture becomes a little too thin, just add a few extra garlic cloves and blend again. Adjusting the consistency is easy, and you can tailor it exactly to your liking. When the paste looks smooth and perfect, transfer it into a clean glass jar. Choose a jar with a wide opening or one that's easy to scoop from because you'll be using it often. Smooth the top, close the lid tightly, and that's it. You now have a fresh homemade garlic paste that can last up to a full year. Just remember, each time you use it, always scoop with a clean, dry spoon. This small habit helps keep the paste fresh and safe for long-term use. Store the jar in the refrigerator, not the freezer, and you'll quickly see how convenient this garlic paste becomes. Whether you're making soups, stews, marinades, or everyday stir-fries, just 1 spoonful adds instant flavor. And thanks to the olive oil, your fridge won't have that strong garlic aroma. It stays clean, the paste stays fresh, and your meals get that rich, savory boost with almost no effort. This simple garlic paste is economical, practical, and truly one of the biggest time savers for home cooks. Now that our garlic paste is ready, let's move on to the second star of today's video: homemade onion paste. This paste is creamy, flavorful, and perfect for adding depth to meals, spreading on toast, or mixing into sauces. And just like the garlic paste, it's a wonderful way to make sure no onions go to waste. We'll start with 2 medium onions. You can choose white onions if you prefer a mild, soft flavor, or purple onions if you enjoy something a little sweeter and more aromatic. Before we begin slicing, let me ask you something. Do your eyes ever water when you peel onions? If the answer is yes, here's a little trick. You might soak the onions in water for a few minutes before cutting them. This simple step helps soften the sharp fumes that cause watery eyes. If you've tried other methods, leave them in the comments. And tell me, have you ever made or tasted onion paste before? I'd love to know. Once your onions are ready, slice them into thin julienne strips or use any cutting style you're comfortable with. Add a bit of oil to a pan and warm it over medium heat. When the oil is ready, add the onions. Season them with 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of pepper. Stir gently and let the onions cook until they become soft, slightly golden, and beautifully fragrant. This is when the natural sweetness of the onions begins to develop, turning simple slices into a flavorful base. Onion paste is surprisingly versatile. You can spread it on warm bread, mix it into cooked dishes, or use it as a creamy base for sauces and dips. It blends smoothly with meats, vegetables, and even pasta. When the onions turn golden and fully softened, pour in 1 cup of cream cheese or cooking cream. The cream will melt into the onions and transform the mixture into a velvety, rich blend. Stir well and let everything simmer together for about 3 to 4 minutes until the texture becomes thicker and silkier. Remove the pan from the heat and let the mixture cool slightly before transferring it to the blender. Blend until the mixture becomes smooth, creamy, and beautifully unified. At this point, you've turned 2 simple onions into a flavorful paste that can be stored and used in many meals. It's a wonderful way to use extra onions from your kitchen and create something delicious that pairs perfectly with grilled meats, stir-fried vegetables, sandwiches, or quick appetizers. Both of these pastes, the garlic and the onion, are simple, affordable, and incredibly useful. Once you make them at home, you'll notice how much easier everyday cooking becomes. Instead of chopping ingredients from scratch each time, you'll have ready-to-use flavor boosters waiting in your fridge, saving you precious time while enhancing every meal. Every winter, when the days get shorter and the house feels a little colder, I like to prepare a fresh jar of garlic paste. It fills the kitchen with that warm, familiar smell that reminds me of cozy soups simmering on the stove when I was a child. These pastes might look simple, but for me, they bring back some of the nicest memories. Before we wrap up, I just want to remind you that simple things like these pastes can make cooking feel easier and a little more joyful. When you have flavors ready in the fridge, you save energy, you save time, and you enjoy your meals so much more. I hope today's tips bring more comfort and convenience to your kitchen. Take good care of yourself. Stay well, and I'll see you in the next video.